First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't want it if that ass don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on these niggas, got me feeling like.
Hello guys, it's Sassy here, and today I'm gonna show you 11 tips, hacks, I could say, how to increase FPS in CSGO, because a lot of people have this problem. They don't really have that good of computers and they can't run CSGO as smoothly as they would want to. I'm doing okay, so I don't need the tips. I'm just using the launch options, but yeah, some people need them. So first of all, I'm gonna place in the description this zip file from Dropbox. You need to download it. There are a lot of useful tools I have included there, and then you extract it. Then you open it, and there's auto exec, and that auto exec needs to be dragged in Steam directory. Mine is on C drive, program files 86, Steam. Then you go to user data and then find which one is yours. Basically these are Steam ID 3, if I said correctly. Just find on the Google Steam ID 3, and I'm pretty sure this was mine. Then you go to, no, this wasn't mine. Which was mine? This was mine. You go to 730. Yeah, it's 730. Then you go to local CFG, and you are maybe gonna have more than 3 files, maybe less, I don't know, it depends. And then you drag this auto exec in this folder, and voila, it's done. But I don't really need it because I'm good, so I'm not gonna drag it. But that's how you do first step. Second step, those are launch options. So basically, launch options, basically these are what I suggest you, but I don't really use all of these. I use all of these and more. So basically threads, you need to put how many cores of your PC you have. Mine has 4, but I have put in 6 because a lot of people have 6, not many have 4. And here, refresh and frequency, that is your monitor's refresh rate, and mine is 144. So yeah, your maybe 60, maybe 70, maybe 120. Just check it. Then these all commands are to help you run CS, and I'm gonna put in the description below my own launch options. These are just what are recommended. Next, go on the search bar. And type power options. There they are. Basically there are 3 plans: balanced, high performance, and power saver. And you probably gonna have balanced or even power saver. Maybe you're gonna have high performance, but if you have balanced or power saver, then click on high performance. If you don't have it here, then please click show additional plans, that arrow, and it should be here. Mine was here and I clicked it, and now it's here. So yeah, high performance, it will help you get better FPS. Next one, you type this PC. It may be computer for you, but for me it's this PC because I'm using Windows 10 and it works on any Windows. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, I don't really know. On every it should work. Then you go to advanced system settings, and here you go to advanced and performance settings. Yeah, so basically everyone should have at the start this: let Windows choose what's best for my computer. But if you have low FPS in CSGO, you should choose adjust for best performance. And this is like gonna you are not gonna see the thumbnails of pictures and small shit like that, but it will help you in CS by a few frames, so it is good for your FPS. Apply. Adjust best performance. We are already at 5th step, so basically now you go on the search again and you type %temp% and enter. So basically there's a lot of shit in this folder, a lot of shit you don't need. I cleaned this in the morning, and again it's pretty full. I don't know what is this all shit, so you can just select all and delete it. And if something is not deleting it, then just skip it, because your computer needs it then. And skip, and that's it. You have cleaned your computer, and it will help by a few FPS again. Now step 6. Clean up the disk. So basically you can go to your disks, press on any of them, right click, then you go properties, and here it is, this cleanup. You can run a cleanup. It will delete all cookies from browser and shit like that, but I'm not gonna run it because I already did it in the morning. And you need to go on tools, and you can optimize too, or defragment. So basically it would be best to do on all drives, but it takes a long time, so you could do on one drive, maybe on two. You can do both analyze and then optimize, but I have done it in the morning already, so no point for me, but you do it. More FPS for you. Next step, it's 7th already. So basically the file that you downloaded, csgo FPS increase, there is this folder NVIDIA Inspector. Open it, then open this exe NVIDIA Inspector. It is a cool app, a very cool app. Then you gotta go here, driver version, and click this. I don't know what's this, just click it, and it's gonna open this thing, and you up here type counters. Wait, I'm fucking shit. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Click it. Press enter. Okay, you don't need enter. Yeah. Then you press up here this one with the green plus. Add application to current profile. Press it. Then you go to your CSGO directory. Mine is on D drive. Then on games, Steam apps, common, csgo. And you choose this CSGO exe application file, and you open it. And now it should be all okay, and you press apply changes, and the computer will do everything for you. Apply changes. I haven't done this one, so I did it too. Now you can close it. Next step, it is, you can close this too. You don't need it. You can close the folder for now too. And you can now do, oh no, you need a folder, sorry. You'll go to this CC cleaner. So basically when you download this zip, there inside the zip there's a C cleaner. Already the setup is here. I have already installed it, so it's here. I'm gonna open it, and it helps you to delete all kind of shit from your computer too. You can clean regedit, cookies, the internet cache, history, junk, run in start menu, every kind of shit. You can just press it, run cleaner. But don't mess with registry. Just if you know what you are doing, then scan for issues and shit like that. But yeah, not gonna do it. I have no time for it. I'm gonna do it after a video. Now, another program, but you need to download it by yourself, and it is called Driver Booster 4. You open it. When you download it, I'm gonna put it in description too. Basically, it scans for drivers. It makes your drivers to be up to date, and surprisingly, it's gonna help you a lot just by updating drivers. You see, all my drivers are up to date because I updated them this morning. Yeah, this morning. So I don't really need to do this. And there's gonna be here a button that says update drivers or something like that. It is red, so yeah, you click it and it's gonna update the drivers and more FPS for you once more. When you have updated it, it will take maybe 10 minutes, maybe longer, maybe shorter, and then you can do next few steps. Then you close the booster, driver booster. You go next step, basically it is 10th step. You go to task manager. Okay, we don't need this processes, we need startup. Basically startup, these are the programs that start up when you turn on your computer. Basically, I don't know why I still have this SteelSeries engine in my computer. I don't use SteelSeries mice anymore, so I have disabled it. And yeah, turn off all the shit like MKLow for LOL. I don't need it. I don't need iTunes starting on my startup. Basically disable it. Surprisingly, it's gonna help you for FPS too. And then there is services. If you know what you're doing, only if you know what you're doing, you can mess with this shit. But if you mess something up, your computer is fucked. And I don't take responsibility for your fucked computer. But this is gonna increase only a few FPS, like 5 or 4, so not worth it overall. Okay, this step was done. Now we can go on to next step, 11th step, and this is the last step. This is gonna be the longest, maybe a little hard, but it gives you the most FPS out of all these tips. So basically, you need to open one Windows button and R, and you go to regedit. You press OK. Yes. Okay, then you go to local machine, system, then it was current control set. Where is it? Current control set. enum, enum. Then you go to PCI. There are all these things. So basically, you need to open your device manager. For now you think the fuck is this, but you're gonna understand. Basically you open device manager and you find display adapters, you press the arrow, then you see your video card. Mine is GeForce GTX 750 Ti. I don't know, maybe you have the same card as me, maybe you have different. Then press right click on it and properties. Then go to details, and instead of device description, you go to hardware IDs. Basically, you can close this and no, you can minimize it. You can leave this one open. Wait, where did it go? Properties. So basically, the first one of these is your PCI for video card, and you need to match this with any of this number. Basically PCI, we are already in PCI. When, so we see there are a lot of wins. 10 DE at depth. 10 DE. Where is 10 DE? 10 DE. Okay, there are 2 of those. Okay, I remember it was A2. So basically you open the folder when you have found it. Then you open once more the folder that's here. You're gonna have much more different than me, the folder name, after you have found the win. Then you go in, it was device parameters. No, it was, yeah, device parameters. Then you go interact management and routing info. No, yeah, interact management. Oh, and you need to create a new key. Basically you create a new, you press right click, you press new key, Oh, I have already created a key, so I can't do it. So basically, you create a key. I'm gonna create it here. Fuck off. Okay, I will create it here. New key, and the key's name must be message. Pay attention to caps lock. It is very important. Message signaled. Message signaled. Interrupt. Message signaled interrupt properties. And you enter it. But I can't do it because the key already exists. Then you go in the key. You press new. And the word 32-bit value. You create that. And the name for that is MSI supported. That's the name for it. And then when you have created it, you double click it, and the value data should be 1, the same value name, hexadecimal, and you press OK. And then you have done the last step. Congratulations. And this should increase your FPS by quite a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you helps this. Write in the comments below how much FPS did you gain after this video. Bye.